As a CTO, building AI software involves strategic decisions and a well-defined roadmap. Here's how you can effectively lead the journey. First, identify the specific problem you want AI to solve. Is it automation, data-driven decisions, or enhancing customer experiences? Clear goals shape your AI strategy. Next, build a skilled team: AI engineers, data scientists, and developers who can bring your vision to life. Collaboration is key to success. Select the right infrastructure, cloud platforms, AI tools, and frameworks. Ensure scalability and flexibility, keeping the future in mind. Data is the heart of AI. Develop a robust data strategy to collect, clean, and manage quality data. The better your data, the better your AI. Train, test, and iterate your AI models. Start with small pilot projects, learn from them, and refine your algorithms. Once your model is ready, deploy it in a controlled environment. Continuously monitor its performance to make data-driven improvements. With the right approach, AI can revolutionize your business. Lead the transformation today. Subscribe for more AI insights.